We're in the Hurtgenwald Forest in Germany, and it's quite cold, early November, a lot colder than in the lower lying land. So it's a huge forest. It's just pine forest. There's no animals, hardly any birds, no squirrels, nothing. So we've just passed an emergency rescue point with a telephone where you could ring for help if you're lost in the forest. So
this is a reflection of the deciduous bit. You can hear some birds.
Ah, and there's a tiny deciduous bit with deciduous trees ahead, and it's the first bird cheeping we've heard in an hour being here. Bernie, bird. Okay.